I love it when Jamie's able to come over and get in the kitchen with me.
I love doing it with you.
Oh gosh, I'm so happy. Now, all these recipes that we're doing here in the kitchen today are some of our family's favorites. Now, we're fixing baked sweet potato wedges.
The biggest thing is time in the kitchen
Yeah.
to prepare a healthy meal
Right.
for your family. And when it's dinner time for Jack, it's dinner time. So I don't have time to cook like I used to. You know, it has
Yeah.
to be on the table when he wants it on the table.
I hear you. Our little Jack, y'all, is doing wonderful. And he's getting a mind of his own. I love it. I love it. God told Jamie, I said, you just wait until that little boy starts thinking on his own. And
By the time when that happens, he'll be pulling shifts at the restaurant. Now I'm gonna put 1 stick and 1/4 of butter here.
Okay.
We're sticking with the traditional Southern flavors of the sweet potato, which is butter and cinnamon.
All right, so put me to work. Anything you want me to put in here?
To that, let's add 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Okie doke.
And all we're gonna do with these, y'all, I scrubbed them clean and I peeled them and I'm gonna cut them into wedges. And we're gonna throw this in this pot. We're gonna glaze them real quick and then we're gonna bake them
That's
off.
all I do. What's the brown sugar for, son?
That's coming up. That's gonna
Okay.
be for our London broil.
I love London broil. And you know, I don't cook that very often.
Well, we're gonna broil it today. You know, a lot of people in their kitchens are you hear broil and people are afraid to do a broil. And it's a great way to do a bigger piece of meat and get
quick,
a good flavor out of it.
It's very quick.
All of these are. And see, now, this is tightening up just a little bit. This is gonna be the syrup for our potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of the best carbs that you can have. So good for you, and kids love them, and it's got a really good flavor, especially with all this butter.
All right, now, son, do you want me to start seasoning your London broil?
If you want to, that won't take but 2 seconds. And I'm gonna put these on our baking sheet and do a little salt and pepper. And we're gonna bake these at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes until they're soft. I'm gonna brush a really flavorful glaze on top of that.
Those look delicious.
Aren't they beautiful?
All right.
Okay, you can turn that off. I'm gonna pop these into the oven.
Wait. Why don't I drizzle that butter over 'em?
Okay.
Can I do that?
Sure.
Because, look, that's some good stuff in there, son. I say let's not miss it.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Sweet potato sticks. Yum, yum. And that smells so delicious with that cinnamon. Now, I'm gonna wash my hands real quick, because I've been rubbing all over that London broil.
Mom, I'm gonna put these in at 400, okay? And they're gonna cook for about 25 minutes or until they're tender to the touch.
I'm gonna get out our potatoes, Jamie.
Okay, well, I'm gonna pull our London broil out too.
That oven feels good and warm. I'm kind of chilly this morning. Look at these. Look at those beautiful potatoes, y'all.
Gorgeous. Put them right there, Mama. Let's get ready to eat.
Okay, I'm so ready. Beautiful, son. Just beautiful.
Gorgeous. And so simple, too.
Well, come on over and have a seat, son.
Ooh, goodness.
Looks delicious, doesn't it?
Sweet potatoes are perfect.
Are they? Love, love, love a sweet potato, Jamie. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.